you like dried apple slices or fruit leather? You can make these quite easily at home. Earlier generations made use of the sun and wind to dehydrate foods, or in other words, lower the water activity. Today, we're food scientists when we're drying foods or doing any kind of food preservation. If you decide to use a food dehydrator, you're going to look for some specific things. You want trays that have a lip on them. You want a dial that shows you the temperature. And by the way, if your oven goes low enough, you can dehydrate in your oven if it goes down to 140 degrees. And you also want a grounded plug. Here's the recipe for homemade fruit leather. I have a cup of applesauce, a cup of pureed berries, a tablespoon of honey, and we mix these together in a food processor or a blender. And then we're going to spray our tray with a nonstick cooking spray, and then spread it out evenly and let it dehydrate for about 6 hours. We want the temperature to be about 140 degrees in your food dehydrator or oven. Now it's time to enjoy our delicious snacks. This is Dr. Julie taking you from field to fork. Until next time.